The Optoma ZW410UST is a projector that transforms the way you think about space and visuals. Ultra-short throw technology allows it to sit just inches from the wall while still producing a massive, sharp image. Whether for a classroom, office, or home theater, it delivers large-scale visuals without requiring complicated setups or long throw distances. At its core, this is a laser projector, which means longer life, consistent brightness, and less maintenance compared to traditional lamp-based models. With up to 30,000 hours of laser life, it can run for years without worrying about bulb replacements. This makes it perfect for daily presentations, classroom lessons, or movie nights that demand reliability. Brightness is where the ZW410UST shines. With 4,000 lumens, it can handle ambient light in most rooms, ensuring presentations and videos remain vivid and readable even when lights are on. WXGA resolution strikes a balance between sharp text and smooth visuals, making it suitable for both professional and entertainment use. Graphics, charts, and movies all appear crisp and clear. Beyond its standard projection, this model supports interactive applications with optional accessories, turning walls into interactive touchscreens. It's ideal for educators, trainers, or creatives looking to make lessons and presentations more engaging and hands-on. Connectivity is robust, featuring HDMI, VGA, USB, and network control options. Whether you are integrating it into an office setup, a classroom, or connecting multiple media sources, it adapts seamlessly. The built-in speaker is suitable for basic audio needs, but adding external speakers can elevate movie nights or multimedia presentations to full cinematic experiences. DLP laser technology ensures sharp visuals, high contrast, and smooth motion. Fast-moving content such as sports, animations, or videos remain clear without motion blur or ghosting. Combined with energy efficiency and low maintenance, the ZW410UST is a long-term solution for anyone who needs reliable projection in tight spaces. From transforming classrooms into interactive hubs to turning living rooms into cinematic experiences, this projector combines flexibility, power, and simplicity. Ultra-short throw, high brightness, and laser longevity make it a practical, high-performance tool for education, business, and entertainment. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Optoma ZW410UST WXGA Ultra Short Throw Laser DLP projector, then please visit the link provided in the description.